Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Haki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka parek. But pila bandai group ban puli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number. Kandai nyo sao san riu pranor. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riu kandai pra. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinu Turek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, But Pila Banle Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwi Biji Sheneng, But Pila Urban Shukol, How number 90890-97907.
Implemented easily by the different departments. They don't need to call us meeting. It is not so complicated. It is not rocket science to understand the RUSIS system. So first, we come to this meeting simply...
The Voice of the People's Party Kalapan Pau, Yak Jingbam Sngohun, Halor Kajin Khot Yakren, Jonga Sorkar, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, Yaki Seng San Perthaiba Per, Halor Ka Rooster System, Kabala Long Haka Katkandai Trik Ujamang Arhazar Arpulai. General Secretary Jongka Party, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon, but Unong Aiktian Dr. Bats Kemberbo, Hakajingakren Bakila Pathai Kubor, Hadin Balami Nakajingalang, Kilapan Pau Yakajingbam Hun, Halor Kajingkot Yakren Jongka Sorkar, Ban I Jingpynshai, Halor Kajingpentrekam, Yaka Rooster System, Dakaba Ong Bakamdan Jingmut Satya Banyakren, Yaka Rooster System, Klemda Yakren Ru Yaka Reservation Policy. Shu Dr. Bats Kemberbo ulai thuru bakat kum kajing batai hapok kajingalang ka party kamhun Satyana Marba ka office memorandum kabala penmi house nam Arhazar Arpuar Halor ka Rooster System kamshem lakrau Satya ya kajing buan pat hapdeng ki khasi ki jantia bat ki garo
1971 hangtu giyong ba ka resolution ka baklang to kong bang in BSI population but kawai galong ba ki ko ka reservation kamdei ka combined ST tingamla bu ban shim ya combined ST population ya hab shim hi ya ke individual ST population how 1971 ki khasi kilo sub percent ki karo la shur around up to 32% leki dunai ka 32%. They have 2011 ka population ding khasi ki 47% ka population ding garo ki 32%. Tinang ta plaban su thu ka population structure can reflect haka reservation policy ka ba ka 1972 resolution ka ongba it is based on the population the kai ka latest ruling jang Supreme Court na san pho ka ki shikan ro pho then this is manong phi ka way ka reservation hangni ha phi pe reservation ha ki centrally funded ha ki central institutes Yaki scheduled tribes ka ya with 7.5% throughout India. Haki scheduled areas ki ya katkum ka reservation chong katu ka university marki suthu ka scheduled tribe areas. Te kira suthu bagani ka scheduled tribe areas kamdei bagani ka 80% kan pat poisha court kala poisha court kan of Hussein tang ba ka court kamdei this is subject of the government hadu mentang kampat lei ka court bangin ong mangi bakan le who are we to say? Bom hun ni namar ba kamlong hi kum ka subject jong ki khot reservation roster penekran kim kran ye reservation ki kran mitang
ni ye one ban kran na reservation namar ginamla ban kran ye roster la dam kran ye reservation no how can we speak about the roster system if reservation is not being discussed so that is what we've been insisting upon the government and so unless the government talks about the reservation, I think there's no point talking about the roster system. There's no point, discussing about the roster system because, it's like putting the cart before the horse. So unless you talk about the reservation policy, roster system, discussing and spending time in the roster system, for us as a party, we feel it's just a waste of time.
That can be implemented. Yes. That can be implemented easily by the different departments. They don't need to call us meeting. It is not so complicated. It is not rocket science to understand the RUSIS system. So first, we come to this meeting simply because we have been invited to come. They put in the subject of the letter as reservation roster. So we thought that the twin issues will be discussed. But when in the meeting, we asked whether, why the OM of 2022 does not speak about the population structure, which the 1972 resolution clearly stated that the principle of reservation is the population also.
Exactly.
But here the OM of 2022 speaks nothing about the population structure, and therefore we feel that it is pointless to have a discussion on the roster system, which is, I would say, a very simple matter which can be understood by anyone without coming to this meeting. Base the roster on I would say that the unjust reservation policy. So ultimately, that roster system is unjust roster. Why? Because it is based on the unjust policy, and therefore, unless and until you correct the policy based on the population structure, it is pointless to talk about the roster system. The time to see what he speaks to the media. I'm not so much into the media. We come here as per the letter.